Hi everybody, Ali is here, and today I want to share with you a very interesting fact and interesting discovery that scientists have made recently. So scientists at NASA and European Space Agency ESA, in collaboration with some other institutes around the globe, discovered a variety of nucleobases and nucleobase analogs in meteorites. Now, you might ask, what is a nucleobase? Nucleobase is a small molecule that's found in DNA and RNA. And these molecules are essential for all of life. And so our results show that these molecules are extraterrestrial in origin, and they're products of a chemical reaction occurring on the meteorite. We believe that these nucleobases in meteorites are extraterrestrial based on three reasons. And the first is that we find them in the meteorite. What a nucleobase analog is that it's a molecule that is structurally similar to the nucleobases you find in biology. But it's different in that these structures are actually either rare or even absent on Earth. We don't see them on Earth. The second reason is that in addition to looking at the meteorite sample, we also study terrestrial samples. These meteorites are collected mostly in Antarctica, and one that is very famous called Murchison was collected in Australia. So we have soil samples from Murchison area in Australia, and we were lucky enough to get an ice sample from Antarctica, where some of these meteorites were collected. And so when we look at these soil and ice samples in the lab, we don't see the same distribution of nucleobases. And with these nucleobase analogs, we don't see them at all in these terrestrial samples. The third reason why we think these nucleobases are extraterrestrial in meteorites is that in the lab, we study reactions of hydrogen cyanide. And when we extract these products from these hydrogen cyanide reactions, we also get nucleobases. And we actually get a similar suit of nucleobases to what's found in the meteorite. And so when we saw that, we were really excited because we were thinking, well, hydrogen cyanide is dispersed everywhere in the interstellar medium. And that's likely to have some sort of chemical reaction on the meteorite. And so when we saw that really convinced us a lot that we're seeing something from a chemical reaction rather than some sort of biological contamination coming into the meteorite. So this has implications for the origin of life on Earth. And we know that meteorites contain amino acid, which are the building blocks of your protein. And now from our research, we can show that nucleobases, which are the building blocks of your genetic materials like DNA and RNA, could be found in the meteorite. And so these things together could have seeded in early Earth with these really important molecules that could have built up to the larger molecules you see today, and which are essential for biology.